school choir girls from class 4th to 8th to present an epic song, an appeal to human compassion. We are the world, we are the children. Since 1930s, Popeye has been a very popular cartoon character and has captured the hearts of millions of fans around the world. Popeye quickly became the star with not only children but with mommies too, for the only reason making spinach enjoyable. Yes, very true. He said, I am strong to finish because I eat meat spinach. I am Popeye the Sailor. Let's take you all to 19th century, presenting dance and drama by our Popeye, the sailor man saving his princess Olive from her little pirates of class 1.
hung by the sailor man. He's strong to the pitch, but he is pitch. He's hung by the sailor man.
What's up, that's steady, come on, look at steady on the up and square. Rapids and drops and always outrunning, and none of them gets nowhere. If anyone guesses to rest, it's pop and it's well understand. So keep the behavior, that's your one last favor with Popeye the Sailor Man.
He's hung by the sailor man. He's hung by the sailor man. He's strong to the pitch, but he is pitch. He's hung by the sailor
कैमरे वाला बैठा ना उसको बोल पहले वाली सीट में बैठ जहाँ बैठा था पहले ये बैठा देख अपना ही बन रहा है शादी कर दी हम किस चीज़ में पहले
Before we catch the end of the program, I request our Honorable Director, Mr. Manu Bhandari, to present vote of thanks. But, respected guests and dear parents, this is not the end. We still have grand finale to come, to mesmerize you all with their energy and attitude. So wait and watch the radiant grand finale. Now I request our Honorable Director, Mr. Manu Bhandari, to give vote of thanks.
Good evening, everybody. This is just to thank all the distinguished guests that we have amongst ourselves, the important people from bureaucracy, the political world, and the like, and the education industry that have come and joined us and graced the occasion. I would also like to thank all the parents who made all the efforts to help the students prepare for this important day. And most of all, I would like to thank our hardworking faculty and the support staff that have put in incredible amount of effort to make this event a big success. So big applause to the entire team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. As promised, we are back again. Dance as though no one is watching you. Sing as though no one can hear you. Live as though heaven is on the earth. With that dreams and thoughts, here come all the rising stars of tomorrow with a wonderful message of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Swachh Bharat, Sundar Bharat, Yoga, the power of positive thoughts, and Taekwondo, keep calm, train on. Please welcome with thundering applause, last but not the least, the crowning glory, the grand finale.
हमें लिखना है, पढ़ना है, आगे ही बढ़ना है, खाते हैं हम ये कसम। जो ज्ञान का रास्ता है, शिक्षा का रास्ता है, उसी पे चलेंगे हम।
बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, तभी तो भारत का भाग्य बदलेगा।
ज्ञान की जो रोशनी है, उसकी तो जिंदगी है।
पाओ शिक्षा, पाओ भोजन, स्वस्थ मन हो, स्वस्थ जीवन।
वो जो शिक्षा पा गया है, वो ही आगे आ गया है।
पाओ शिक्षा, पाओ भोजन, स्वस्थ मन हो, स्वस्थ जीवन।
अगर संसार चक्र को ठीक से चलाना है, बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, तभी तो भारत का भाग्य बदलेगा।
हमारे देश के लिए स्वतंत्रता कितनी जरूरी है, उतनी जरूरी है स्वच्छता। आओ हम सब मिलकर गंदगी दूर करें, देश को स्वच्छ बनाएं। स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपनी वादा कर लिया हमने।
स्वच्छता की जोत लेकर घर घर जाएंगे, साफ सुथरी रोशनी में सब नहाएंगे।
केवल एक बार सफाई करने से जिम्मेदारी पूर्ण नहीं हो जाती। भविष्य में गंदगी न फैलाने की ओर ध्यान रखना अत्यंत आवश्यक है।
सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा। सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा।
बच्चों के लिए योगाभ्यास। बच्चे यदि बचपन से ही योग करना प्रारंभ कर दें तो फिर जीवन में कभी बीमार नहीं होंगे, सदा स्वस्थ रहेंगे। जिसे लोग कहते हैं हिंदुस्तान है,